Hey guys and gals, so today I'm going to be going over the Design tab in Microsoft PowerPoint. As always, I have made several other videos of other various tabs along with other functions, so if you're interested in that, go ahead and check out the series. But we're going to get straight into it from the left to the right. This tab is pretty short with only 3 or 4 sections: Themes, Variance, Customize, and Designer. But we'll start with the themes. Themes are pretty cool because you can completely change up your slide with the click of a. So when you click the more option, you will see a lot of different themes. As you hover over them, you can preview your PowerPoint in those themes. So I'm just going to click this one because I like it. You'll see over here both of the slides change to that theme, so your entire PowerPoint will change to that theme, not just the single slide. I will say you can also download themes and then browse for them in your computer. You can save your current theme, and you can even enable content updates from office.com to hopefully receive more themes. Over here, you'll notice the variance section. This is where you can quickly just change the color scheme and find something you like. You can also click this drop down and manually pick the color theme. You can manually pick a default font. You can manually pick effects to go on your images and shapes, and you can also manually pick the background style per the color theme. Over here in the customize section, we have both slide size and format background. Starting off with slide size, you can pick from the 2 generic standard or widescreen, or you can even customize the slide size. When customizing the slide size, you have multiple options. You can quite literally customize the slide size to be whatever size you want it to be. You can also customize certain number of slides, and then you can pick from all these pre-formatted options. You can also quickly switch it to portrait, which will make it more vertical rather than horizontal. And then you can also format your notes, handouts, and outline. Over here we have the format background option. So this is where you can format your background of your slide. You'll have the solid fill option, which is where you can pick any color, and then you can also pick the transparency of that. You have the gradient fill, which is where you can again select each one of these colors and change it to whatever you want. You can change You can also do a picture or a texture fill. This is where you can pick any picture. Also, you can use the clipboard and then the texture as well, and then you can adjust the transparency too. You can also pick to do a pattern fill and pick from these patterns along with pick the colors associated with them, and then you can hide the background graphics. You can also click over here to design ideas and pick different design ideas based on what you created. Also, to switch between the two, you'll see right here there is both the design ideas icon and the format background icon. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this brought you any value at all, go ahead and hit the like button, and please give me a subscribe. And if you're interested in other PowerPoint videos, please continue on the series. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.